We bought a 1968 Volkswagen Beetle for our next project. The gentleman I bought it from works for a tow truck company, so he offered to tow it to our house for us, which is great. The brakes currently aren't working on it, so that's why we had to have it towed. That'll be the first thing I do, is figure out the brake system. Go inside. Have a seat. Pretty nice, huh? There's a hole right there, see? There's a floor in
Are you
there.
gonna help Doc with it?
I'm excited.
That's what Dad's gonna do for the rest of the day.
Yep. Put up Christmas lights and play on the bus. (1968) Volkswagen Beetle. Fired up when I went and looked at it earlier. It's got the usual rust. Has 63 low back seats. Oh, here, I gotta pop it. Spare tire. Oh, yeah. It's pretty clean. Pretty clean. Do you have that flashlight or no? I'm just gonna look down in the front. I didn't really look down in there. Looks pretty dang good. Sweet. Even the floor jack said it has a new gas tank. It's definitely been painted once over the top of the other paint. Pop outs. Brake lines. New windshield. The other one has a crack in it. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Right there. The deluxe trim for the rear window and the front window, and the seals. Perfect. What else we got in there? Battery tray. Spot here. What'd you say? So yeah, that's the floor pan right there. That section. I'll see how good that section is. I might end up having just pull the body off, replace the whole thing. See if it fires up. What do you think? Push through the floor here. There we go. Fires up. A little gas. Oh, there it went. Cool. Right on. We'll see what's in the back seat here. Put some stuff back here. Oh, it's got speakers. Get that off. Here's the latch. Huh. Don't remember how to do that out. Oh, that's a little tray. Goes up by your foot. These go down here. Box. And some really cool speakers.
Nice.
Check those out. Oh. Look at that. Surround sound in here. All right. Cool. Right on. Headliners, a little tore up, but have to replace all that anyways. Cool. That's good. He was the third owner. He got it from a guy who had it for about 20 years. And he never really got it on the road. Hasn't been registered since '99. You excited? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Got it all the way in? Okay. Now go ahead and turn it
Left or right?
right.
I can't.
Here. Push it. Yeah, there you go. Now turn it all the way. There you go. Right. And then come out here. Fired right up.
I can see that.
That's gas. You want it?
I start.
Oh, there.
It died.
You want to turn the key back off? There you go. Perfect.
Why did you stop?